Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the profile picture on your Windows. And this is just a very pretty straightforward tutorial. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So currently this is my Windows profile and I have already changed this. Now on how you can do that, just simply follow my instructions. Click on the settings icon, or if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find accounts. And here you'll find under account settings your info profile photo. Click on that. And here you can take a photo. Just simply click on open camera. And here you can simply capture a photo of yours and then set this as your Windows profile photo. Now you also have here choose a file. Click on browse files. Now I have my screenshots which are beautiful for me. So just simply click on that and then click on choose picture. And now it has been changed into that photo, and you can browse files for the different destination where you have downloaded your pictures. You also have from your camera roll, so that's it. And then just simply click on the picture and then click on OK. And whenever you log in again or sign in into your Windows, that will be the profile photo whenever you sign in into your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.